How to sign up for Hanpass. Before starting, download the Hanpass app available on Google Play and the App Store. Tap Please log in to continue. Tap Sign up. Tap Continue. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Continue. Tap Foreigner. Tap Select your nationality. Tap Philippines. Tap Continue. Signing up with phone number. Enter your Korean phone number. Tap Request for verification code. Signing up with email. Tap Email. Enter your email address. Tap Request for verification code. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number or email address. Tap Continue. Create your password. Re-enter your password. Tap Continue. Enter the referral code PHFB. Tap Continue. Signing up with passport. Tap Passport. Tap Continue. Tap ID card front. Take a photo of your passport or upload it. Make sure the photo is clear and captures all personal information. Tap Complete. Signing up with foreign registration card or ARC. Tap Foreign registration card. Tap Continue. Tap ID card front. Take a photo of your foreign residence card or upload it. Make sure the photo is clear and captures all personal information. Tap Complete. Tap Selfie. Take a selfie. Make sure the photo is clear and that your face is visible. Tap Complete. Tap Continue. Review your personal information to ensure it's correct. Tap Continue. Choose all the information that applies to you. Tap Continue. Enter or upload your address in Korea. Tap Done. Adding bank account. Tap Continue. Tap Add bank account. Enter your bank account number. Choose your respective bank and tap Continue. Check the 3-digit code sent to your bank account. Enter the 3-digit code. Tap Continue. Create your 6-digit PIN. Re-enter your 6-digit PIN. All done. Enjoy 6 free remittances and great exchange rates.